This tutorial review will show you how to make someone automatically get a role on Discord. So first of all, we need to add a bot to our Discord server. To do that, open your browser and type yakpdb and open this website yakpdb.xyz. Once you are here, click on Control Panel. And now click on Login using Discord. Authorize. And now click on Select Server. And now select the server where you want to add this bot. Click on Continue. Authorize. Ensure that you are not a robot. And now click here. And now go to your Discord server and click on server name, server settings. Click on roles. And we need to create a new role for new member. Give here the role name. Select a color for the role. Click on Save Changes. And make sure to put the yakpdb bot at the top. Save changes. And now in the bot dashboard, click on Tools and Utilities. Click on Auto Role. Automatically assign members to this role. Click on this drop down and from here select the role you just created on your server. Click on Save. And then anytime someone's joined to the server, they will automatically assign to this role. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.